Hello, this is Carlin Karate, and this is my assignment for week 11, where we start to build our ecom store. You ask us to define the behavior of a couple different files. I'm going to start off with the settings.py file. If we look down to the bottom, we'll see the database settings, and this is what we only really changed within this file. We set values to the databases, and we kind of just did the basic kind. We name ecom store, user username, password. The host is local. Uh, and what this just really does is this is the settings to our databases. Let's see if I can scroll down here. That's all I really know about settings. I know it all ties together somehow, but now I'm gonna go to the urls.py file, and what the urls.py file really does is it's where we define our URLs. Django will choose a view by examining the URL that's requested. Then we go to our views.py file. Our views is a simple Python function that takes a web request and returns a web response. This response can be like an HTML content of a web page, a redirect, an error, an image, or anything really. It hides a lot of complexity. In our views.py file, it renders a response to the index.html, which means it requests that content. Naming the URLs lets you calculate what URL is in view. Then we're going to go to CSS.css. One thing that we made us change here, I'm going to point out real quick, was, where is it at? Oh, right here, the banner color. And you made us change it from that orange to, I changed mine to a dark magenta. This CSS is really the layout for the catalog.html. It creates a directory called static, and that's the root of our Django product, and it creates the CSS to the new static folder. And what it really does, basically, is it makes our document look pretty, or our web page look pretty. Let's go to catalog. Here in the catalog, this is where our header, footer views are. We see a little navigation tag here. What content's really displayed, and right here we have a block, and what a block allows us to do is really indicates a built-in tag reference that indicates what can be overridden in the base template. For example, you could create a block for a title page, meaning we can alter the name of the title page, in which we did. We changed the name of the page from Modern Musician to the Toe Tap Music. Sorry. I guess this is the time where I'll show you how I changed and what it looks like. Where's it at? So open this up. And we gotta change right here. You gotta type in catalog, because that's the only defined URL. And right here is okay. So you changed the color and the CSS, and then the the name and the catalog. And it's all displayed right here on this page. I understand that certain files grab and extends different information from each other, like the index to the navigate HTML, catalog base, and it grabs from the CSS, and all reps together to create this. Certain files have grab and extensions from different other files. Let's see if I can. Oops. The CSS. Oops, sorry. Sorry, I just had a little problem with my computer. I had to stop and replay the Screenomatic, but this was the best take I had, so I don't want to restart it and do it all again. Uh, well, this was my HTML, or, my project for week 11. I hope I did all right with the video. I get nervous. Thank you for your time.